Okay, here's how you reset the maintenance light when you have this steering wheel on your Mercedes. You're going to go ahead and put the key in position 1. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the home button. You need to be in the classic screen right here. And you're going to hold down the home button. The screen's going to change. Then the screen's going to change again. Then you count between 3 and 5 seconds. Then you hold down the OK button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then you're going to tap the home again, just like this. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you pull up the workshop menu and you can go ahead and cycle through the options in the workshop menu and reset your service light. Just like that.